You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, English pronunciation. Yes, I know the spelling makes it confusing, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. It looks like it should be pronounced wary, right? From where, but no. British English pronunciation, how to pronounce weary, 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 okay, weary. Now the American English pronunciation, simply say it as weary, weary or weary. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.